Hello, Guiding Bolt fans. Ron here. We're going to do a quick opening of this commander deck from Zendikar Rising. This is the Land's Wrath one with Obuun, Mul Daya Ancestor. These are pretty good priced. For $20, you're getting $40 to $60 worth of cards. Depends on how prices hold up. I know, like, for a while there, you were getting like $140 worth of cards out of these. This particular one. So in it, you get your Obuun Mul Daya Ancestor. You get your little deck here. You get a deck box. You get a little learn to play commander thing. And you get this little life counter, which you cares about. What I care about is right here. We got this deck. It's a beautiful deck. And if I figure out how to open it, I will show you what's in it. So the basis of this deck is it's a landfall commander. So we'll go over to the commander here quick. So what he does is at the beginning of combat in your turn, one target land you control becomes a XX elemental creature, where it's equal to its power and toughness. And it has landfall, so you can make this guy get bigger. So every turn you're making your land bigger. That's swinging. There is some busted stuff with landfall. We're already starting to see in standard with Omnath and Lotus Cobra. Let's see. So we are in the back. We want to go to the front. So starting out, we got good old Abs and Falconer. Let's go ahead and make our guy flying. We got a Banishing Priest for removal. Condemn. This card used to be so good, and then they got rid of the tuck rule. I miss the tuck rule. There is nothing like taking someone's commander and shoving it into their deck. Contraband Crush. Elite Scale Guard. Good old Core Cartographer to get you some mana. We got Retreat to Emeria. Okay. Acidic Slime. Oh, this guy brings back memories. Back when... Were we in Return to Ravnica last time I did it? Yeah, it was back in the Ravnica Innistrad, like Avacyn block area, where you used to run Acidic Slime and the Resto Angel him and just blow up all your opponent's lands. I know, land destruction. I am a bad person for liking it. Armorcraft Judge, Beanstalk Giant, Circuitous Route, Elvish Rejuvenator. So we got a lot of stuff letting us get lands, which in a landfall deck you're going to want. Embodiment of Insight. Ooh, Evolution Sage. So it's also looks like we want counter. So, because if we got him in here, we're proliferating. A little Far Wandering. Fedled lets us get lands, and obviously that's why Evolution Sage can pump him up. It's a pretty harmonized. Is that a new? Draw 3 cards. Hero. Inspiring Call. Keeper of the Fables. Good old Kalani Heart Expedition. This used to be part of Valakut in Modern. Kadama's Reach. I wonder if that's supposed to be the Beanstalk Giant. Retreat to Kazandu. Good old Satyr Wayfinder. Spore Mound. Spring Bloom Druid. Tuskguard Captain to give our creatures with counters trample. Yavimaya Elder. He's like stapled to like when we do, let's do a green commander deck and we're going to put Yavimaya Elder in there. Zendikar Royal. I like it. We're a landfall deck. Trove Warden. Geode Ranger. Admonition Angel. So this one was one that was like 10 to 12 bucks pre this printing. Now it's like 6. So whenever land enters the battlefield under your control, exile a non-land permanent other than the angel. When it leaves play, it's basically an angel with that's like O-ring landfall. So not bad. Good old Amiri Angel. I loved this card back in the day. Gives me a warm feeling. Amiri Shepherd. Blech. Hour of Revelation. Destroy all non-land permanents. 3 less to cast if there's 10 or more non-land permanents on the battlefield, which with Commander, pretty easy to get to. Planar Outburst. Sun Titan! Woo! He used to be fun back in the day. There was a legacy deck that ran him, because you could sit and bring back all like reoccurring. And when they finally get your recurring nightmare, like Sun Titan, bring back reoccurring nightmare, but you just did dumb stuff. Together Forever. Abundance. The Mending of Dominaria. I like this card. It used to be fun in Commander, or in Draft. Then we got good old Mutani. He's been around for years. I remember the original Mutani back in like Urza's Saga, Destiny, somewhere in that line. Nissa's Renewal. This used to be good in Standard, the BFZ Standard. Rampaging Ballast, one that's been printed to oblivion. Good old Return of the Wild Speaker. Rites of Flourishing. Sylvan Advocate. Waker of the Wilds. Living Twister. Mina and Den Wildborn. Return a land you controlled its owner's hand. Target creature gains trample. I guess that's really good in a landfall deck. Omnith, but not the new Omnith. That's amazing. This crappy old Omnith. They could at least even given us the green, just the mono green Omnith. That one was really good. Or even the one from No, I suppose this hasn't got blue in it. Say the one that's got blue in it from the recent one. Seer Sundial. Ooh, we get a Manland, Needlespire. Just the 2-1 first strike, right? Yeah. Double strike, sorry. Ground Assault seems good in a landfall deck. We got the Naya Charm. Struggle to Survive. Sylvan Reclamation. Treacherous Terrain. When you're trying to get your lands, seems like a good one. Arcane Signet. Sandstone Oracle. Scar Tiller. This deck just isn't as fun. I like, or maybe if you like your landfall, you can be like, this is amazing. I'm gonna landfall for days. But in here, I'm just bought it because it's like I want to own it. So, Soul Ring. Good old Blighted Woodland. This is a decent this was a decent spec for a while. Like it was going in value, but now that they've reprinted it, it'll go back down. Boros Garrison. Bounce Lands. Boo. Boros Guildmate. Good old Command Tower. Cryptic Caves. Evolving Wilds. The Gruul Guildgate. The Gruul Bounce Land. Jungle Shrine. Croson Verge. Myriad Landscape. Naya Panorama. Selesnya Stuff. Terramorphic Expanse. Let's see. Here's our new cards. We got Rolling Regrowth. And the Murasa Rootgazer. And I think it's just basic lands at this point. We get a couple core ally tokens, elemental tokens, sapperling tokens, and I think these are double-sided. So we have beasts, elementals, and birdies. Elementals. So that's the deck. It definitely has room for improvement. Playing as is, you're not going to be able to do much at the table. But if Landfall is your thing, at $20, this is pretty good value. So I would go pick it up. So, all right. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep on gaming.